Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to react to a pin on the Pinterest app on your PC using the latest update. This new feature makes it super easy to express your feelings about any pin you see, just like you would on your phone. Let's jump right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials and head to the homepage. This is where you'll find a stream of pins tailored to your interests and activity. Next, scroll through your feed, or use the search bar at the top to find the pin you want to react to. Once you spot it, click on the pin to open it fully. This will bring up the pin with more details like description, comments, and the options you can interact with. Now the fun part, look for the love icon on the pin. It usually looks like a heart, and is the reaction button that lets you show your appreciation. Click on the love icon. After you click the heart, you might see a variety of reaction emojis pop up. These can include different emotions like a smiley face, clapping hands, or other fun icons depending on the update. Choose the one that best matches how you want to respond. Once you select your reaction, it will be instantly recorded and displayed under the pin. This way, others can see how you reacted, making your interaction more personal and engaging. Remember, some reaction features might be limited to group boards or collaborative pins where multiple users contribute. These updates are designed to make Pinterest more interactive and enjoyable to use on PC. And that's it. With just these few simple steps, open Pinterest, find your pin, open it, and click on the love icon. You can easily react to pins and share your feelings right from your desktop. Give it a try and add a little extra fun to your Pinterest experience.